Hey guys, Toby here from Yield Labs. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I want to cover a topic that I get asked about quite a lot, and that is insurance. Crypto insurance can be quite a bit of a minefield at the moment. There are a lot of providers out there such as InsurAce or Nexus Mutual. It is really up to you to do your due diligence and find out one that suits all of your needs. In line with something that we have covered recently was with the Polygon staking going live on the Orion Saver platform. What I'm going to do is take a little look about how you would go about taking an insurance policy with InsurAce and how this looks in regards to terms and conditions, coverage, cost, and so on. If you head on over into Orion Money's interface, there is actually an option there that says get insurance. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I'm going to go for the InsurAce Orion Money and the UST DPEG. As you all know, Orion Money uses a bunch of smart contracts to allow users cross-chain interaction with Anchor protocol. So if we head on over into the InsurAce page, you will see that this is a bundled cover for both Orion Money and the UST DPEG risk. So that is smart contract for Orion Money and DPEG for the algorithmic stablecoin. What I'm going to do is make sure that I am using Matic as the base currency. The other options here are DAI, USDC, USDT. There's also options to ensure this on BSC and on Ethereum network, respectively. One of the things that I'm going to look into here is making sure that I understand the following documents. So you can go ahead and you can click into the bundled cover section. It will take you to their documents page. You can head on down to the Orion Money UST DPEG cover, and we can take a look at the wording. This outlines much like an insurance policy, and it shows you what you are and aren't covered for. So the Orion Money UST DPEG bundle consists of smart contract cover and UST DPEG cover. The insured is eligible to make claim if one or more of the following included covers are triggered. It shows you what you're actually covered for. So if there's material loss of the insured crypto assets due to an unauthorized, malicious, or criminal act aiming at exploiting the designated smart contract. The loss of insured crypto assets is permanently irreversible with no means of repayment or recovery, and the loss is directly linked to the wallet address which was insured with the cover. Or, during the cover period, there is a loss in the value of the UST and it moves from its peg, trading below an 88 cent based on a 10-day time-weighted moving average, calculated using market data extracted from CoinGecko. Again, this is super wordy, but these are like fairly generic terms and conditions like you would see in any policy. Make sure that you understand the exclusions. Make sure you understand the conditions that are required to be met in event of a claim. The other document that you can look at here is the claims process. Make sure that before you take out any insurance coverage that you are familiar with the claim process, how it works, how you would request a claim, the investigation, and the vote. Remember, with crypto insurance, a lot of these policies are subject to governance of some description. Votes will be made and a general consensus will be decided upon as to whether or not your claim is valid and needs to be repaid. Once you understand all of this lot, taking out the policy itself is actually quite simple. So we're going to head back on over to the cart page. We will see that we can select how much Matic we wish to cover, like in Matic value. Again, I have about 1,400, 1,000, 1,500 UST equivalent in the liquidity pool. So let's go for 750 Matic as my total coverage. And for the purposes of this video, let's just do 6 months. So type in the amount of Matic that I wish to cover and the cover period being 180 days. So once I've done this, I can go ahead and click refresh in the premium section, and it will give me a total premium for the amount of Matic that I wish to insure. This premium comes to 15.5 Matic, and I don't think that that is at all terrible to be able to sleep at night knowing that your assets are covered. I'm going to go ahead and click I agree to the terms and conditions, which I have read thoroughly and made sure that I understand. Click confirm, it will give me a wallet prompt. Once the wallet prompt pops up, it will show me the fee and a gas fee. I need to make sure that I accept this. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. This will submit my transaction into the blockchain, and then we will be able to move forwards with my cover. As you can see, when the transaction confirmed, you will be given a pop-up box that says the transaction has been committed successfully. This means that my insurance cover has been successfully taken out, and in the screen you can see that it is for 750 Matics worth of coverage and it is for 180 days. I can go ahead and recommend InsurAce. So head back and over to the home page. I can go to the insurance section and stick on active covers. You'll see that I have a cover ID number 1 UST. You can see I have Orion Money UST DPEG. It's a bundled cover, the cover amount, the start time, the end time, and its status. And I think that that is absolutely everything that you need to know in regards to buying insurance cover for a protocol or Orion Money. And this is a really cool way of ensuring that your assets are safe and that they are looked after and allows you to sleep at night. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.